On today's episode, you're gonna find out if Trent Packer really has a new job. So a lot of people have been asking me, Trent, what are you doing? And do you have a real job? So let me just tell you, we started a new company called NewTab Marketing. NewTab Marketing is a digital marketing agency helping small and big businesses grow online. So that's what we've been doing. So now let's give you a tour of our 915 square foot office.
I would like to invite you all to come along with me on a journey.
So 915 square feet sounds like a lot, but it's really not that big. But you are greeted by a very spacious room, which happens to be our creative director, Miles Ozo. What up, bro?
How you doing?
Miles is, he does everything around here, and he's a professional skateboarder.
Nah, that's not true.
In here you have a TV, and our clients will come here and they will view our work on that TV. So it's pretty handy. So let me continue the tour. We have this office. This is my office. We also have another screen where clients can come in and we can talk strategy, and we can help them with their website. We can help them with their SEO and their content creation. So this is pretty handy to have this kind of a setup so we can collaborate together to help small and big companies grow. Let's continue down to the studio. Mackenzie is our designer here at NewTab Marketing.
Okay.
Mackenzie, tell us one fun fact about you.
I like cats. Don't know if that's fun, but it's a fact.
Heck yeah, she designs all of our print and all of our digital thumbnails and everything for social media, so she is awesome. And in here you have the studio. So the studio is really handy for clients who want to come in and actually film, and we'll do like interviews, we'll do product shots, we'll do still photography. It is very handy to kind of have this space to collaborate together. And if we do need, typically we film on site, but it's really great to have this. So if you want to see what we're doing here at NewTab Marketing, you'll want to go to newtabmarketing.com or the link in the bio, or follow NewTab Marketing on Instagram, where we give a lot of tips and tricks for small businesses and how to grow online. This is Trent Packer, signing off for now. See ya! So we forgot one of the most important things, and that is we give away free gifts here at NewTab Marketing. We give away free Popsockets. So they go on the back of your phone. They're really handy. So if you want your free Popsocket, come in for a free digital marketing consultation.